Alright, hello everyone, welcome to my series of IELTS writing task 2. Okay, and in this video, topic today is in the past, lectures were the traditional methods of teaching large numbers of students in a classroom. Nowadays, new technology is increasingly being used to teach students. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this new approach in teaching? Alright, là ok. Cái đề bài này á là nó sẽ it mean là trước đây các bài giảng là phương pháp truyền thống để dạy một số lượng lớn học sinh trong một lớp học. Ngày nay công nghệ mới ngày càng được sử dụng rộng rãi để giảng dạy cho học sinh. Ưu điểm và nhược điểm của phương pháp giảng dạy mới này là gì? Ok. Và đó là câu hỏi ngày hôm nay cho chúng ta ha. Rồi, và đây là bài làm của mình. In former times, teachers taught large numbers of students in a classroom using traditional lectures methods. But then, when digital technology increasingly developed, schools started administering technology into the curriculum. From my perspective, I believe that its advantages far outweigh its disadvantages. On the one hand, administering technology into education has several benefits. The first positive side is that it encourages students to self-study and research. Technology encourages students' spirits of self-study and research through learning apps and educational websites. They can manage their study time and pursue topics of interest to them. Another major plus is that it has flexibility. For instance, the COVID-19 pandemic causing traditional classrooms to be closed, and students and workers are unable to step out of their homes and are afraid of losing their jobs. However, thanks to technology, students can study online and working people can work at home and not fear losing their job. They can use Zoom or Zalo, etc. Therefore, administering technology in education also helps students become more interested in learning at school. On the other hand, there are also some drawbacks of administering technology in education. One main drawback is its dependence on technology. What I mean is that relying too much on technology can lead to laziness and loss of students' ability to self-study and be creative. In addition, if there are technical distraction, technology device, if not managed well, can cause students to be easily distracted by unrelated content such as games, social media, or entertaining videos. In conclusion, my view is the benefits of administering technology is curriculum develops eventually outweighs any negatives. Alright, và bài đọc vừa rồi mình vừa mới đọc cho các bạn ấy là được chấm sơ là khoảng 7.0. Mình đã dùng phần mềm AI và mình đã hỏi thầy mình ha. Alright, here as you can see. Rồi, và tiếp theo mình sẽ đọc tiếp cho các bạn một bài nữa, đó chính là bài cho tham khảo ha. Rồi, ok, let's go. In the past, teachers primarily relied on traditional lectures methods of instruct large groups of students in a classroom setting. However, in the rapid advancement of digital technologies, schools have begun to integrate technology into the curriculum. From my perspective, the advantages of this integration far outweigh its disadvantages. On the one hand, incorporating technology into education offers several significant benefits. Firstly, it fosters a spirit of self-study and research among students. With the availability of learning apps and educational websites, students can take control of their study time and explore topics that interest them, right? Okay. Another major advantage is the flexibility that technology provides. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, traditional classrooms were forced to close, leaving students and workers unable to leave their homes and concerned about job security. Fortunately, tech technology enabled students to continue their studies online, while employees could work from home without the fear of losing their job. Tools like Zoom or Zello facilitated this transition, okay, making learning more engaging and accessible for students. On the other hand, there are some drawbacks to the integrations of technology in education. One significant concern is the potential of overdependence on technology. Relying too heavily on digital tools can lead to laziness and diminish students' ability to self-study and think creatively. Additionally, technological issues can disrupt the learning process, causing frustrations and interruptions. Another challenge is the risk of distraction. If not properly managed, technology device can divert students' attention to unrelated content, such as games, social media, or entertaining videos. In conclusion, I believe that the benefits of incorporating technology into educational curricula ultimately outweighs any potential drawbacks. The ability to foster self-directed learning and provide flexibility in education is invaluable, especially in today's rapidly changing world. Alright, and that is the end of this video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.